Apart from invisibility, air has weight and also pressure.
What? Air has weight? No, I don't believe it.
Yes, to prove it, I have an experiment. Look at this empty ball. Now we will see the weight for it. It's 29 grams, okay? Let's fill the ball with air. Let's check the weight. See, it's 40 grams.
Hey, it shows lot of variation, Bob.
Joe, it proves air has weight.
Yes, Bob, you're right. But what about pressure, Bob? Does air really exert pressure?
Yes, Joe. Air exerts pressure in all directions. There are various experiments for that. To show the upward pressure of air, we need bottle with water and thick polythene cover. Take filled water bottle. Now place the polythene cover to mouth of the bottle and invert the bottle like this. Now see the magic.
Oh my God! How did you do that?
I didn't do anything, Joe. It's because of air has upward pressure. Come, I have another experiment to show the downward pressure of air. To this we need glass box, water glass and colored plastic ball. Now fill the water in glass box. Now immerse the ball.
Ha 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 ha! You cannot immerse the plastic ball in water, Bob.
Really? Challenge? I can immerse the ball without touching it.
No, you can't. That too without touching it. Impossible.
It's possible, Joe. See, take water glass and invert on the ball like this. Now see, it proves air has downward pressure.
Bob, it's amazing. But I have a doubt. Have you kept anything in the glass?
Joe, why do you have always doubts? Okay, no problem. I will prove that this is an empty glass. See, I am keeping tissue paper in the glass. And again doing the same. See, the paper is dry. It indicates glass is an empty.
I'm sorry, Bob. You're right.
It's okay, darling. Now I will show you that air has sideward pressure. For this experiment, we need only water bottle and hot water. Pour the hot water in the bottle. Close it with cap and shake it. Now open it and drop the water. Now recap the bottle.
Bob, it's shrinking.
Yes, Joe, the sides of the bottle is done inwards. It proves that the air has sideward pressure.
Thank you, Bob.
Okay, Joe.